What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe, man. So we got a question that I get often. How much Shiba Inu do I need? So we're going to break it down at that 0.0001 level. So 3 zeros and a 1. How much Shiba Inu you need to hit $1 million. So let's get into this. But first things first, if you already haven't subscribed, if you're rocking with the family, if you're rocking with Shiba Inu, you're rocking with the channel, make sure you do so and subscribe. You know, we got a lot of videos coming up, a lot of information. We will be live streaming each and every day leading up into the release of shibArmy. So that means, yes, we will have a live stream today, and you definitely want to be a part of it just to, you know, get a full understanding of everything going on SHIB. And also, we just did a technical analysis video. So if you missed that, go back and check that out to determine, you know, what's likely to happen with Shiba Inu's price as we move forward. A lot of people wonder, is SHIB done pumping? And that video will answer that question. Now, stay tuned. You know, if you haven't subscribed yet, because the background is boring, I told y'all it's coming real soon, man. We getting the background together. Like I said, we just moved into a new crib, so we got to get situated first. You know, this is just the office room, so, you know, I got my setup here, you know, everything I need to, you know, get this information out here for y'all and do my due diligence. But the fun stuff is coming soon, so subscribe if you already haven't. Also, I want to, you know, look at the overall market before, you know, we get out of this video and just, you know, talk about something that, you know, I think a lot of people should be paying attention to. So subscribe, make sure you got notifications on so you pull up to this live stream later on. Now let's get into this article. Also, smash the like button, man. Let's see. I know I kept asking for 1,500. 1,500 seemed like that was a little stretch. Let's see if we can get 1,000 likes on this video, y'all. So smash the like button if you already haven't. Now, here's how much SHIB you need to make $1 million if Shiba Inu rallies to that 0.0001 level. So SHIB has recently experienced a remarkable surge, surging by over 16% in the last 3 days. This impressive rally has garnered the attention of investors seeking to capitalize on the momentum. However, amid forecasts suggesting a price target of 0.0001, there arises a question. What quantity of SHIB can make in 1 million if SHIB achieves this price target? So how much do you need? An investor would need to hold 10 billion SHIB tokens to sit on a $1 million investment if Shiba Inu ever rallies to a price of 0.0001. SHIB is currently changing hands at that 5095 level at the present value. Investors could procure 10 billion tokens at $95,000. Now, I know that's a lot for the average investor on my channel. I know we got a few millionaires, a few people we help hit that $1 million level on the channel too, but not talking about y'all. The average everyday investor that's coming in doesn't just have $95,000 to throw at SHIB. So what I would do is, you know, look at this from a standpoint of what you can afford. So half of this is around what, 47,000, 47,500 if you know, you wanted to have $1 million bag at that 0.0001 level. That's $1 million at that level. Now, if you had half of that, you would basically have $500,000. And let's say if you had half of that point, so let's say 21,000 or so, you could get 250,000 at 0.0001. And let's say you even had half of that, you know, 10,000 or so, you would be able to get, you know, what is that, $125,000. So from a $10,000 investment, you could potentially move that to $125,000 if SHIB ever reaches, or when SHIB ever reaches that 0.0001 level. Now, I know a lot of people want to become millionaires instantly, but you just got to be realistic with what you can afford and the price targets that you plan on holding to. Now, of course, if you plan on holding to the 1 cent level, then you don't need this much Shiba Inu. But if you want to, you know, be able to take some profits and, you know, have that $1 million bag at a point at 3 zeros and a 1 level, then unfortunately, this is just how much you're going to need, keeping it real. Now, obviously, you can scale that down or scale it up as much as you want. And then you also have to remember that the zeros play a part. So if we lose another 0 and we are at 2 zeros and a 1, then, you know, you're going to make a lot more money with less money. So you won't really need 95,000. You might need, what is that, like 9,500 might get you $1 million at that level, if I'm not mistaken. So, you know, keep that in mind. But let's take a look at what else they have to say. So essentially, at current prices, investors must commit 95,000 to rake in 1 million should SHIB claim that 0.0001. This will represent a 952% increase in investment and a return on investment valued at $905,000. So indeed, this scenario is entirely hypothetical, assuming SHIB's future price reaches that 0.001, but it's crucial to note that such an outcome is not guaranteed. Multiple positive and negative factors could significantly impact SHIB's price movement. So obviously, the overall market conditions, the rate of adoption, success of shibArmy, the burn rate, all these different things can play into, whether Shiba Inu does this or not. So keep that in mind. But SHIB at that 0.001 level, on the positive side, SHIB could benefit from the ongoing development of its ecosystem. shibaswap 2.0, SHIB stablecoin, shibArmy SSI, and shibArmy, a layer 2 blockchain network. These projects could augment the utility and demand for SHIB, thereby contributing to its growth. Another factor that could boost SHIB's price is an increased burn rate. Projects like shibArmy could help bolster the burn rate and reduce Shiba Inu's extensive supply. Adversely, Shiba Inu might encounter selling pressure from profit-taking investors who opt to cash out following the recent rally. Moreover, the overall sentiment prevailing in the crypto market can also impact SHIB's performance. External events such as regulators' actions, security breaches, or implosions can trigger these unfavorable market-wide sentiments. So basically, like what happened with FTX, Voyager, the banking collapse with Signature, Silicon Valley Bank, these things could have a bearish effect or a bad effect on the overall crypto market and stun our growth. So SHIB may experience a loss of momentum and downward pressure influencing its performance if these types of negative things play out. Meanwhile, the asset has sustained the ongoing rally at the time of reporting. SHIB is now the biggest gainer among the top 100 assets over the past 24 hours. Interestingly, Bone ShibaSwap, another Shiba Inu ecosystem token, is the second largest gainer. So you can see that our ecosystem is not playing games right now, y'all. Buckle up, man. Despite the rally, it is essential to note that Shiba Inu attaining that 0.001 level is not guaranteed, as such a price target requires a substantial 952% increase. Consequently, investors must consider the risk tolerance and consult certified financial advisors before making any investment. Because this is not financial advice, more like financial entertainment, education, financial literacy, whatever you want to call it, but it is not financial advice. You have to do your own due diligence. But I want y'all to pay attention to this. A lot of people getting, a little uneasy, a little nervous about what's going on with SHIB. We talked about technical analysis on how Shiba Inu is likely to continue this movement if it follows this trend that it's seeing right now, if it respects the trend. But I want y'all to pay attention to this number here. Overall cryptocurrency market cap, 1.16 trillion. Shiba Inu just did what it did. The rest of the Shiba Inu ecosystem tokens just did what it did, going against the grain of the market. Nothing else was in the green anywhere close to where Shiba Inu was over this past day. So you want to keep that in mind. Shiba Inu is moving against the market. So right now, us seeing Shiba Inu pull back is not a bad sign. It's just taking a breather. If the overall market was pumping, you look at this percentage right here. The overall market is 0.00% from where it was yesterday. That means it's exactly flat. So when we see things like this happen, don't panic. That just means the price is taking a breather. If we see the overall market pumping, if the market was up 5% or something like that, and we seen Shiba Inu stagnant or pulling back, then that would be a bad sign. But impulse correction. Remember, the price has an impulse and then it corrects. It has an impulse, then corrects, impulse and corrects. You got to always remember that. So I want y'all to not panic. I want y'all to, do what's ever best for you. I can't tell you to buy, sell, or hold, but I don't want you to panic though. So that's all we got for this video. Smash the like button. Let's try to get this one to 1,000 likes. Remember, Shiba Inu is just doing what Shiba Inu has to do right now, sitting at that 9352 level, down 8% on the day, but up 13% for the week. As long as we respect around that I believe 8.7 level, Shiba Inu can still remain in this bullish trajectory. Now, if it breaks below that 8.7 level, then we might have something to worry about. But that's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for pulling up.